Now we'll take a look at how to connect to Transaq connector in 1x Algo. To connect to Transaq connector, go to the tabs connection and choose Terminals. Select Transaq connector. In the window that appears, enter the IP address and the port, as well as your login and password for Transaq connector. The login and password are issued in your personal account. In the drop-down windows, there are the options of password change and advanced settings. Once the connection is established, the tools will be displayed at the bottom of the window. Select the tool by transferring it to the right. Click the Apply button and then Connection. Connect. We have connected to Transaq connector. When all the quotes and data are loaded, the color of the indicator in the lower left corner will change from red to green. After loading the data through the context menu, click the Edit button, or use double-click, and go back to the configured connection and select Tools. The tools are grouped by class code. We tick the necessary instruments, and they move to the window with the trade instruments. After that, they will be seen in the section with robots and in the table of current parameters. When you connect for the first time, you will be asked to change your password to perform operations through Transaq connector. We hope you found this information valuable and wish you successful trading with 1x Algo. See you in the other videos.